Hello viewers, welcome back. In today's video, we will see some important current affairs point or question or topics related to 18 August. So let's start today's video. First point is saying PM Narendra Modi announced the launch of which two new projects for the conservation of India's most endangered species during his Independence Day speech. The answer is Project Tiger and Project Dolphin. As you know, Prime Minister Narendra Modi the launch of Project Lion and Project Dolphin during his Independence Day speech on August 16, 2020. The two projects have been launched for the conservation of the two endangered species in the country using modern technology. The next point saying Chandrayaan 2 recently captured an image of a crater on Moon. ISRO has named the crater after whom? The crater is named after Vikram Sarabhai. As you can see in image, Vikram Sarabhai is a Indian scientist. Sarabhai is a circular bowl, the crater shaped crater on Mare Serenitatis in the northeast quadrant of the Moon. This crater is named after Vikram Sarabhai. ISRO has named crater on the Moon captured by Chandrayaan 2 after Indian astrophysicist Vikram Sarabhai on the occasion his centenary, which means century, on August 12, 2020. The next point is saying who will get coronavirus vaccine very first in India. So, the Minister of State for Health Ashwini Kumar Chaubey has shared information that coronavirus warriors will get coronavirus vaccine very first in India. The whole news is saying corona warriors will be the first ones to get the COVID-19 vaccine after its launch. This was shared by Minister of State for Health Ashwini Kumar Chaubey. Corona warriors are all the doctors, paramedics, policemen, sanitization workers, and others involved in different duties at the risk of their lives to help India win its battle against COVID 19. Next point is saying Google has warned which nation's citizens of the possibility of losing their access to free search service. So, the nation which is warned for this threat is Australia. Australian citizens are warned by Google. Google warned that the Australian government's plan to make digital companies pay for news content will threaten users' access to free search services in Australia. The tech giant warned that it could also hand over users' data to media organizations. Next point is saying which country has detected new coronavirus strain that is 10 times more infectious. So the news is from Malaysia. Malaysia detects new virus strain that is 10 times more infectious. If we talk about Malaysia's location, then you can see in map that Malaysia is in east southern position in respect to India. The whole news is saying Malaysia has detected a strain of new coronavirus which is 10 times more infectious. The mutation has been found in at least 3 of the 45 cases in a cluster. Next point is saying Bihar has extended lockdown restrictions till when? So the news says Bihar has extended lockdown till 6th of September. The whole news is saying according to the guidelines issued by the State Home Ministry, there will be an additional restriction in state headquarters, district headquarters, subdivisional headquarters, block headquarters and all municipal areas till September 6. During this period, the commercial, private and government offices will work with 50% strength and offices related to judicial work will run as per the guidelines issued by the administration of Patna High Court. Next news says When is the World Humanitarian Day observed? World Humanitarian Day is observed every year on August 19th. On that day, the world commemorates humanitarian workers killed and injured in the course of their work. Beside these incidents, let's see some one-liner points related to current affairs. First point says PM Modi announces One Sun, One Word, One Grid OSOWAG initiative. What is this? This is all about renewable resources. As you can see in image, India has seen rapid growth in renewables as wind, solar, hydro and biomass energy production has been increased in last 7 years. So this initiative is all about renewable resources and increase the use of renewable resources. Next point says all villages to be connected with optical fiber in next 1000 days, says PM Modi. PM's Mega Independence Day in PM Modi's Mega Independence Day speech, he announced to connect villages with optical fiber in next 1000 days in almost 3 years. The aim of this initiative is to connect over 6 lakh villages with optical fiber, and the target is to be completed within next 1000 days, and the benefit is high speed internet, massive push up to digital India. We can say that it's a step towards 5G. Next point is saying center plans to make Odisha the epicenter of India's overall steel industry. The whole news is saying Union Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel Minister Dharmendra Pradhan said that to further accelerate the development of the domestic steel sector and make Odisha the nerve center of Mission Purvodaya in steel, an integrated steel hub is proposed in the state. Odisha, the CM of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik, remember this. With a capital investment of 5 lakh crore rupees, the envisioned steel hub will produce 100 million tons of steel from out of 300 million tons national steel production target, the minister said. The whole steel production is 300 million tons, out of which 100 million ton of steel is to be produced in Odisha. Next point is saying Defense Minister Rajnath Singh approves proposal to expand NCC. The full form of NCC is National Cadet Corps in 173 border and coastal districts. As you can see here, it is to strengthen the defense of nation. Next point is saying Indian Coastal Guard launches offshore patrol vessel ICGS. The full form of ICGS is Indian Coast Guard ship Sarthak, built by Goa Shipyard Limited. As you can see here, ICJ patrol vessel Sarthak is launched by Defense Minister, which is built by Goa Shipyard Limited. As you can see in image, CDS and Navy Commander is also there with Defense Minister. Next point says India announces USD 500 million American dollar assistance for major connectivity project in Maldives and 250 million American dollar as budgetary support. As you can see here in image, India announced USD 500 million help in Maldives connectivity project. Beside this, in Adu Atoll, there were some tourism related projects were also going on. Next news is saying ISRO and IISc, Indian Institute of Science, both researchers develops sustainable process for making space bricks on moon. Space brick, which is to be used for making habitat places on moon. It is composed of lunar soil and some other chemicals. Next point is saying NTPC develops infrastructure at UP's Rihand project to increase use of fly ash. As you can see, National Thermal Power Corporation is about to develop infrastructure at UP's Rihand project. Where is Rihand? Rihand river is in Sonbhadra, the southernmost district of UP, which is at border of MP, Chhattisgarh, Bihar and Jharkhand. And in this district, River Rihand and River Son has Rihand Dam project also. And here now NTPC is going to develop infrastructure to increase use of fly ashes. Next point says Barclays slashes India's GDP gross domestic product growth to -6% in financial year of 2021. Financial year means from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022. As you can see, beside Barclays, IMF also slashes India's growth forecast for financial year 2021 and 22. Only China is the country which has positive growth at 1% in 2020. Global output is also down to -4.9% in 2020. Beside IMF and Barclays, IMF, World Bank, OECD all has predicted negative growth rate in all regions in the world, as you can see in image. And the last point of today's current affairs is saying Lewis Hamilton wins F1 Spanish Grand Prix 2020. As you can see in image, Lewis Hamilton, who is from Mercedes, got first place in Formula 1 Spanish Grand Prix 2020. Second place is occupied by Max Verstappen from Red Bull, and third one is Valtteri Bottas from Mercedes again. So these were the for 18th August. If you like this, do share the video and subscribe our channel. We will meet you in next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.